Hey, it's Tu from Cleverific, and today I'm going to show you how free shipping thresholds work with self-serve order editing. Here, I'm on order number 39, and I have free shipping because I've met the threshold of $100. I'm going to go ahead and remove an item from this order to get my threshold below 100 and see what happens. So I accidentally bought two big-ass sweatshirts. Now I want to remove one. Here you can see the quantity used to be 2. And now it's quantity of 1. Confirm this update. Now you can see that what used to be free shipping is now shipping cost of $5. And let's say to get that free shipping back up, I want to go ahead and add this Kiwi t-shirt. That should bump my order to 101. Shipping is now free again. To get this working with your self-serve portal, you actually don't have to do anything because the logic is already there once you enable it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.